In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it to turn it off or on. If your shortcut is blue, that means that auto rotation is now enabled. But you can also just go into devices settings and scroll to hit display. Then scroll again and use this switcher next to auto rotate screen to manage it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!